Hi guys, today we're going to be making something that my mom came up with called Falafel Triangles, basically like a falafel sandwich but ready to go. So first she's going to use some of her pharmacist experience and make the dough healthier. She's just going to blend up some cilantro and parsley and incorporate it into the dough. And she does that by obviously putting those greens in, adding half cup of water, and then sticking it in the food processor or blender, whatever you got on you. But yeah, this is super great for the bread because it contains a lot of antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and it honestly just makes the bread taste better because it's made of the same ingredients as the falafel. So it's a really simple but powerful touch to the dish. So after you blend it all out, make sure to strain it. We have this small one because we made a small amount, and you're just going to make sure none of the solid leaf gets in there. So yeah, just go ahead a couple times. I believe she went through this twice as well, so to be completely safe, you should go through it one more time, but other than that, using your eye and making sure there's not any bits left should be fine. Then you're going to add sugar and water and yeast to a separate cup. This is the first part of making the cotton dough, as she likes to call it. This is very crucial for making it puff up, the fact that you're feeding the yeast beforehand, before you add it to all of your dry ingredients, which is this step here with your flour, your baking powder, your salt. You're just going to let that mix around a little bit before you add in some yogurt. And then mix that up until it gets a little bit more solid. And at that point, you're going to add back in your pet yeast that you have been keeping alive up until this point. You guys should let us know what to name our yeast, actually. I feel like it's an alive thing, right? So at this point, we should give it a name. But yeah, then you're just going to add in the parsley cilantro mix and have the mixer mix that a little bit longer. Add some olive oil to finish and get that dough completely solid and clean and beautiful. Mwah. Then you're going to transfer it to a separate bowl by just adding a little bit of olive oil first, just to make sure it doesn't stick to the sides or your hands. And this is the falafel she had made previously, which she is going to link in the upper right hand corner of this video. So go check that out because we're going to be stuffing the dough with the falafel. Let that proof for a little bit. It's pretty hot here in California right now, so we didn't need to put it inside of an oven, but if it's a little bit colder where you live and you don't think it'll be able to rise in time, if maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, have it stick it in a proofing or baking oven. But yeah, then you're just going to divide it evenly into 4 separate balls. And grab your pre-made falafel that, once again, you can check out in that video we linked, alongside with some hummus, which you can check out in another video we'll link, and some pickles. I believe the yellow ones are called banana pepper, and then the green ones are just mini stuffers. Unfortunately, we had to resort to those store-bought ones because we ran out of my dad's uncle's pickles. He makes them super insanely good. And let us know if you actually want us to make a video on that because he is truly an expert and he's taught everyone the recipe to make sure we have good pickles on hand. But yeah, as for now, these will have to do. So you're just going to roll out each of the doughs you would cut up into miniature doughs, put some hummus, falafel, pickle, and then fold it into a triangle. Super simple, alternate with the different types of pickles or don't, whatever you guys want, or whatever you're craving that day. But yeah, stuffing it in this way makes sure it doesn't explode all over the place in the oven. It's basically like sabanich, which you guys can check out on our channel as well, except this time the stuffing is falafel. And once you're done making all of those, you're just going to stick it in the oven at 440 degrees Fahrenheit and keep an eye on it until it turns nice golden brown. This is me reviewing it, and I think it's really great. This is also my dad reviewing it. I'm pretty sure he thinks it's great too. We all thinks it's great. So yeah, it's just super yummy. It's super easy. I have been just grabbing it out of the fridge every morning when I start my day because I gotta run out of the house. We're a pretty busy family, so it's super nice to— wow, he's really loving it. Like, he's really loving this one. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy this dish and let us know if it's as convenient for you as it is for us. Happy falafel triangling. Bye!